Hi, class. So today you're going to complete the last practice introduction task for the project. Remember, the whole thing is going to be due basically, I believe, 11 days from now, if I'm adding correctly, May 17th. And today we're going to go through the argumentative, I'm going to call it the argumentative paper. Sorry about that. Argumentative paper practice and introduction. Ultimately, what you're going to do if you choose to complete this task for the project is you're going to respond to one of these prompts. Okay. There's 5 total prompts that you can choose from about Catcher in the Rye. They're just listed here. Your main goal is to create a 5 to 6 paragraph, roughly 3-page essay answering one of these questions. If we click over to the rubric, as you can see here, it needs to be at least 3 pages, type double space, Times New Roman 12-point font. You need to have at least 3 quotes from the book, and then at least 3 quotes from critical sources. So you will have to do a little bit of research, find some background information on the book, or look up what other people say about the book, how other either teachers or professors or researchers, someone who has actually read and studied the book a lot, how they would go about answering one of these questions. You'll have to research that and find sources. All the quotes have to be explained, and then the paper basically just needs to thoroughly respond to the entire prompt. Okay, so again, the list of prompts is here. You choose from one of those 5. You do a little bit of research. You read the book. You try and find out, not just for yourself, but from the perspective of other people, what is the best possible answer to this question? Obviously, these questions are not like a yes or no answer. They take some thorough explanation, and you're going to write that 3-page paper. It'll be due on turnitin.com, just like the compare and contrast essay, by May 17th. Obviously, just as one last reminder, out of the 9 tasks, you're choosing just 3 tic-tac-toe style. So after today, you should be 100% sure which 3 you want to do. So if you want to complete this one, make sure you're choosing 2 others that you can connect in a line. And yeah, from this point forward, any day that we have that's not like reading or a quiz is just going to be devoted to working on these project tasks. I'll be showing you in a later video how to submit all of those. But you should be at least starting on 1 or 2 of those tasks. If you've been working on the journal, you should be almost done because you've been working on it hopefully every day since the beginning of the project. But whatever the case is, you are also going to do the last project practice and introduction here today. So once you watch this video and you read these 2 handouts and you look at what the argumentative essay is, you are going to do the practice, which is to respond briefly with a rough outline that uses at least 4 bullet points to one of those prompts. So either way, even if you're not going to do this for the project, I do want you to look through these prompts, pick one that you like, and then create 4 bullet points to kind of map out how you would answer the prompt, how you would go about writing the essay if you chose to write it. You can just make a list of those 4 bullet points. And yeah, respond to the question as best you can. You'll ultimately have 4 complete sentences. It can't just be like 2 or 3 words, but have 4 complete sentences in order that would eventually be their own paragraph if you were to write this essay and respond to one of the prompts, just to give me an idea of how you would answer one of those 5 questions. After that, please read chapter 19 of Catcher in the Rye. The quiz Friday is on 16 through 21. Tomorrow you'll read the last 2 chapters there, 20 and 21, along with potentially working on some of the project. If you have any questions, please let me know at office hours.